Hi guys, I'm Marek, the founder of My Second Option, and today I will show you how your wealth explodes after you earn 100,000 US dollars and how we get 20 to 50% in the tropics. Have you heard the phrases money makes money? Or the rich get richer? They are true, mainly because of two forces, scale and compounding. At 10k invested, a 10% return is 1k. At 100k, the same 10% is 10,000 US dollars. Same percentage, way bigger dollars. Then compounding kicks in. Your money earns on your money and on last year's gains. That's why the first 100,000 US dollars is the grind and the next 100k arrives faster. So how do you reach that first 100k? Here are the levers we use at Tropical Capitalist. First, tropical property plays, Panama and Paraguay. A. Land and beachfront, Panama, Asuncion growth corridors. Target 20 to 50% yearly ROI by buying undervalued land, adding value, excess utilities permits parceling, then exiting to end users or developers. It means us too, so we can help you build. B. Cash flow rentals, well-selected units or villas in prime demand pockets can get net 12 to 25 ROI. Powered by short-term, mid-term stays for expats, surfers, executives, and medical business travelers. We source undervalued dirt, build or renovate, manage the rentals, and set up tax-efficient structures so yield actually sticks. Number 2, our real estate fund. Land means lots. For investors who want the strategy without the hands-on work. So here is the strategy. Aggregate undervalued land, add infrastructure and entitlements. Subdivide into lots, then construct and sell. Entry capital 450,000 US dollars. Duration over 24 months. Target ROI 43 to 74% in total, roughly 20 to 32% annualized if returns were evenly compounded. H. Deal flow, local permitting teams, and guaranteed buyer pipelines in Panama and Asuncion's expansion corridors, and top beaches. Smart buy the dip, that's another strategy. Crypto strategy volatility is a feature if you systemize it. Our rule-based accumulation focuses on deep predefined drawdowns with Bitcoin and Ethereum as the core and strict risk caps. Target 40% plus yearly in strong cycles with automated profit taking into real assets, Panama, Paraguay property, or to fiat. Number 4, high frequency trading. That's our know-how. We developed our system, and for diversified market neutral style exposure run by humans supervising bots, we have the strategy. So in this case, entry capital can be as much as 10,000 US dollars. Our strategy is bot-driven, trader-controlled strategy with strict risk parameters. It has been built by my team that put strict conditions and rules to the strategy. It's back-tested and we are executing it by signals by human people, but signals from the bot. Yearly target is around 42% under favorable conditions, but this is not financial advice. Emphasis on risk controls, latency, and counterparty diligence. 5. Increase investable cash. It's usually faster to grow your monthly investable amount than to chase an extra 1 to 2% somewhere else. Relocate, optimize taxes, add a side income, or renegotiate your rates. Then funnel the surplus into the place above. The mindset shift. Your job isn't to find magic assets. It's to reach scale, then let compounding do the heavy lifting. The first 100,000 US dollars is the hardest. After that, your capital starts working harder than you do. So what do we do for you? Deal flow, beachfront and growth corridor lands, plus rental-ready units, build and management from design to turnkey operations, wealth structure, legal low, zero tax setups so ROI isn't eaten by friction. Move crypto gains into real assets at the right moments. Options hands-off via our land, lots, fund, or diversified via HFT. All ROI figures: land 20 to 50%, rentals 12 to 18, 24, crypto 40% plus, fund 43 to 74% over 2 years, HFT 42% yearly are targets based on historical deals, conditions and not guarantees. Markets involve risk, including loss of principal. HFT availability may require jurisdictional eligibility, KYC, AML, and investor qualifications. We can guide you, of course. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Serious about turning the next 100K into a compounding machine in the tropics? So WhatsApp us or book a call. Links in the description or just scan the QR code. We'll show you live deals, walk you through the land, lots, fund, and HFT options, and build the right structure around your goals and timeline. See you in the next one. Bye.
At my second option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.